Hello and welcome to a tutorial from Textile Express in which I will show you how to make this fantastic drawstring swim bag. We have lined our bag with a waterproof fabric, so it's perfect for kids' swimming lessons or little trips to the seaside. For this tutorial you will need 40 centimeters of face fabric, 40 centimeters of waterproof fabric, some cord and a little bit of tape. We will start off by cutting two 50 centimeter by 40 centimeter rectangles out of our face fabric. Then we will do the same with the waterproof lining. Next you will take a little bit of tape and create a loop that you will pin into a bottom corner of your face fabric. And make another one for the other side. Once you've got them pinned, you can take your other panel and pop it on top of this one, face side to face side. Starting 5 centimeters from the top of the rectangle, we will sew the three sides, two sides and the bottom of the bag. Make sure to finish sewing 5 centimeters from the top of the bag. Then we will open up that hem and just sew over the seam allowance to keep it nice and tidy. Now we will repeat the whole process with the lining fabric, so it's face side to face side, sew across the three sides with 5 centimeters from the top. And sew over the seam allowance to keep it in place. Once we've done it, we will turn the face side fabric the right way out. And then we'll fit it inside the lining fabric. So we've got our face side fabric into the face side of the lining. Then we will sew across the two top edges with the 1 centimeter seam allowance. Here you need to leave a little gap in your seam to make sure you can turn your bag over the right way. Through that gap, you can grab the end of your face fabric and pull that out, and then you will fit the lining inside your bag. Once you've done this, you can close up your gap with pins and top stitch 1 centimeter from the top on both sides. Now we need to create a little tunnel for your drawstring to go through. To do that, you'll need to create a seam 3 centimeters from the top of the bag, and do the same on the other side. You will need to cut 2 pieces of the cord that measure 1.75 meters. Now all we need to do is to thread the string through your bag. To do that, pop a safety pin onto your string, then pull the string through the loop at the bottom of your bag, then thread it through the tunnel you created. Pull it the other side, then turn your bag over and thread it through the other tunnel on the other side of the bag. And once you've done that, just tie the two loose ends together. And trim the excess cord. Then repeat the process on the other side of the bag, so you thread it through the loop, then through one side of the tunnel, turn the bag over, thread it through the other tunnel, and tie the two loose strings together. Just to finish it off, you can move the knotted ends somewhere towards the loops at the bottom of the bag. And your drawstring bag is now ready. Hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you've got any questions, just pop them in a comment. Thanks for watching.